Right, we are back. Uh, Now we are doing a job board in React. Okay, so 30 minutes. Okay, build a job board that displays the latest job postings fetched from the HackerNew API. Okay, with each posting displaying the job title, poster, and date posted. Okay, this is a demo image they have given sample. The page should show 6 jobs on initial load with a button to load more. Okay, clicking on the load more will the next postings. Okay, if there is a URL field written in the object link. Okay, okay. The timestamp can be formatted in any way you like. Okay, API. This is okay, and this is the API. Get JSON, and this is sample response. Okay, so if we let's open this link and see what do we get. Oh, I get only a list of IDs. Okay. Mm-hmm. And if I hit this, so let's say I open a new tab, I just duplicate this and I do this, and there is an ID, right? I open this ID. Huh. So this is need to understand what is happening. Array, I'll copy this, I'll paste this ID. Huh. By I have an ID, there's a score, there's a time, this is a Unix timestamp, there's a title, student is writing a cracked founding engineer, Rust, okay, type, job, URL, I have a URL for this, okay, 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 so that JSON, this is a sample he gave, but yeah, the focus on the question is functionality and the knowledge, but free field to beautify the page, okay, this is a good problem, okay, so So first what we have to do is on load we have to call the first API. We have to fetch data from this. So we'll get all the IDs and we'll store it in a state. And then with first 6 we'll call this. Then every time there is a load more, we'll keep a count of it, right? How many are done. So then we'll do a next 6. So that is what is required. He said there's a 6, do every 6. This is a requirement. 6 jobs on initial load. Click the lower more button. Okay. The button does not appear if there aren't any more job postings. Okay. So we have to make a total list count, and we have to do that accordingly. We have to, every time, that's a very basic, we have to increment it by 6 and see what is happening. If there is a URL field, obviously we have to keep it in an array. Okay, fine. So first step, get the job IDs. Second step, get these first 6 jobs. Third step, have a button to iterate over that. Fourth step is the styling. Okay, there are 4 steps that we'll do in this. We have 26 minutes left. So let me import use state comma use effect from React. Okay, these are the 2 things I'll be importing. Now const job I don't set job IDs. So actually these are being static, right? It's fine. Use state empty. So on use effect, so const jobs URL equal to this is a URL. Const single URL equal to yeah. Got it? Yes. So what I'll do on this, I'll fetch jobs URL. As this is get, I don't have to do anything. Then I don't have to add the post method type. Then I have a response. I have to convert this to JSON. Then once this is converted to JSON, then the data I get, I will set job IDs as the data. I got the data, right? So return section. I don't know why is my favorite. It's a very generic one. There's no real reason why I like section. Section. Then yeah, I have the job IDs. Good. Now on initial row, right? Also fetch then there is another use effect I want to use, which on change of either job IDs that get changed, for that will trigger the first, or tracker. Let's call it tracker. Tracker value that gets changed. Okay, so so what happens? So first when I get the tracker value, right? Let's call let's let it be 6 to start with. So if it is 6, if it is const current list equal to job IDs dot splice 0 to tracker. Tracker minus 6 to tracker. So I have a current list. Line number 14 console.log current list. ఏం తప్పిపోయింది రా? I have 6 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Nice. Let's just be sure job IDs comma So now Baba, Shaka minus 6. 6 minus 6 is 0, right? But why I'm getting 3526? Check, check, check. Yeah. Slice is the correct one, not the splice. Splice will cut it. I want a separate tracker of this. Okay, then so if current list dot length greater than 0, alla arvekkole nanne ariyadi nanne tanani nani tani kannadi nani tambudade nani shomane nani tani tittana apodana it is loading. Okay, there's no data. Why are there any errors? No, there are no errors also. So jobs instead of data. So console dot log jobs. కానీ నాని డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తున్నాడే, ఆల్రెడీ డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తున్నాడే, డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తున్నాడు నన్ను సచ్చినాడు, సత్తా ఎత్తున్నాడు చిచ్చుబుడ్డిగాడు, తను కొత్తన్నాడు రైతు అంతా ఇది నచ్చెత్తున్నాడు ముందు ముందు ఎవడు ఎన్నుకే ఎన్నుకోడే, తన్నినా తన్నినాడే, తన్నినా తన్నినాడే, తన్ని తన్నాని నాని నాని తన్నాని నాని నన్ను తన్నాని నాని డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తున్నాడే, ఆడడాడే డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తున్నాడే, డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తున్నాడు దొంగ సచ్చినాడు. ఇది ఇంటర్వ్యూ అయితే పాటలు పాడతావు ఏట్రా? ఆహా, మనకు 15 minutes అయింది, ఇంకా మనం ఇంకా డేటా తెప్పించడంలోనే ఉన్నాం. जॉब आईडीज मारा है. ఇఫ్ దాంట్లో ఉంటే చెయ్యకు అని ఎలా చెప్తాం? జాబ్స్ డాట్ ఫిల్టర్ ఆన్ లిక్ అంట సిగ్గుండాలి కొంచెం. Okay, in 30 minutes we were able to do only the first part of it. Then we have to do the second part now. Hmm. So now we are returning a div. It's a block and it has title. There is a link and there is a link again. Hmm. But if you see, there's project pro, project pro, project pro, project pro, project pro, project. Why are there so many? But this is also is wrong. So absolutely we failed at this. I. Mm, okay. First thing is replacing each other when I clearly wrote this set jobs of data. And I think something broke because unique key undali. So then job comma id is div of return key equal to id. Okay, the first things first. Why is the API now? Okay, it is getting called on load, and when I click on load, what will happen? I click on load, more things happen, more happen, more happen, more happen. So how many more? If someone does this, I would not select him. What is this? It's a timestamp. Okay. Now time to see the solution. Man, if they would have written very elegant code, and I am like one shady loser code. Fine. Okay. Correct. Correct. Mm-hmm. 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 Correct. Mm-hmm. Okay. He used a state. Okay. 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 I don't like this approach where Pratisari he is calling that API unnecessarily. This is being called multiple times to get the jobs. See, every time this is called first, this have to be called. Whereas I can, when this is standard, I understand this may be used, but in this use case, this is fixed, right? So unnecessary API call. True, then there is some promise that all because there are multiple calls that are being made, right? So he gets everything as one object. Hmm. If jobs.line greater than 0 and current page into page size plus page size is less than job ID dot line. Okay. there are many improvements that we have to do, but we have to revisit the logic, write a separate function for this to get the HTML of this, the JSX of this, and call this here every time. This is like a child component here. సో ఆ చైల్డ్ కాకుండా మనం మామూలుగా కూడా ఒకటినే ఫంక్షన్ రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు ఇట్లా పాస్ చేసాం కదా, ఫంక్షన్ కాల్ కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. చైల్డ్ లాగా రాసుకోవచ్చు, విచ్ ఇస్ నైస్, మోర్ నైస్. ఇది మళ్ళీ చేయాలి. సరే, అది కొట్టించింది.